I just purchased these blocking mats and we're going to take a look at them and see what they're like. They come in this great little case, which would be good for storing them. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocking mats. They have a good grid. The grid is not too big and not too small, so it'll be good for pacing things out. It feels pretty heavy duty. I've seen some that are about half as thick as this, so I think these are gonna be good that way. That is not instructions. And somewhere in here there are supposed to be some pins. Oh, here we go. The pins are right here on the side in a little pocket. That's nice. Let me get them out. That's good that you have a place to store them in there. And let's take a look at these pins, shall we? Oh, it's got some tape. Well, that's good for security. There we go. Tape is off. And it says it came with 150 of these, I believe. So these are good little T-pins for blocking. Now let's block something, shall we? I have this. Round things can be trickier, but to get this right, this is what we're going to do. Better up close. There we go. Let's stop moving. Okay. So to get this correct, what we're going to do is we're going to take the center of this cluster and we're going to pin it to right here so that we know that we're getting it right where we want it to be. Then we're going to pull this out straight and take another pin, and we would pin this circle, the center stitch, to the center where those two intersect. From there, we know we have it centered and we know we have this the same distance apart. And then we would just make it sure it's in the shape that we want, and we would continue pinning down the edge as much as we needed to get the shape we wanted. And then we would be taking steam, or possibly this would have already been washed, and we're going to lay it to dry. But I think it's working pretty well. I think that this will be great for blocking all kinds of things, and since they're interlocking, you can do more of them. Just make sure that when you're doing it, your lines are matching up so that you're able to keep your grid consistent for your blocking measuring. So I think these are pretty good. They're a good value. You get a bunch of them. These pins are great. It's big enough, I think you could even do a sweater. So it's a good deal. I highly recommend them if you're needing some blocking mats.